Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of Easy Tricks app. In this video, I will show you that how you can create images using Leonardo AI. So first of all, go to the link app.leonardo.ai and register yourself. Now as you have logged in the bottom in Users tool, you will see AI image generation tool. Click on this tool and then here you will have to enter your prompt to generate the image. So let's just type our prompt right here. Once you have entered your prompt, you can set the number of images to be generated. Currently it's on 4, so 4 images will be generated. So without wasting any further time, let's generate the image. Click on this generate button and the pictures will be generated. So I have clicked on the generate button. Now give some time to Leonardo.ai to generate your images. And there you have it. You can see that Leonardo.ai has generated some amazing images using my prompt. And this is how simple it is to use Leonardo.ai. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.